Hey everyone! I hope you're doing well today. I'm excited to walk you through a detailed guide on how to gather tons of coins in NotPixel, the super popular Telegram bot that's officially recognized. This bot is gearing up for an airdrop, which means some serious earning potential is coming your way. But first, there have been a few updates I need to share so you can maximize your rewards and boost your mining efforts effortlessly. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily uploads. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. All right, let's start with the latest updates. The bot recently announced that points won't count if you draw outside the designated canvas area. Wondering what that means? When you open the drawing area, there's a bordered zone where your work will actually count. But if you draw outside of that, your efforts won't be counted. For precision, if you zoom in on the grid and select any color to work with, say you pick any color and change it, you'll notice that when you press print, it won't record any points, showing 0. However, if you change a color inside the frame, like turning any color to right color, you'll see it counts points right away. A key trick here: make sure to choose right colors to paint over the current ones for each pixel, so the points keep adding up. Avoid using the same color on top of itself, as it won't count. Experiment with contrasting colors, and you'll see more points piling up quickly. Another critical tip: the longer your drawing or pixel stays untouched by others, the more mining power you'll build. So, try to place your points in less crowded areas within the canvas to minimize the chances of others drawing over them. For example, avoid active sections with frequent explosions, where people use bombs to clear pixels. Instead, pick isolated areas and secure your color placements. This way, you can keep your mining power steady and reduce the risk of losing points. To claim your points, click on the top box and then press Claim. The bot will add your points to your total. Another update here: now you can level up your boost to increase your earning potential. Aim to level up the print reward to maximize what you get for every drawing, and recharge speed so your points refill faster. As you continue, make sure to get your energy limit as high as possible. Mine is currently at 24. Try checking in every half hour to place new drawings within the canvas. This will ensure that you don't lose points by drawing outside of the designated zone. You now have the option to buy recharge or print boosts with stars. But honestly, I don't recommend purchasing these upgrades since they can add up quickly without necessarily being worth it. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.